Anisha welcoming you to Grassroots Food Lab. Today in our food lab, we're going to make some colorful and nutritious ravioli. For the original ravioli, check the link in the suggestion. The link is also there in the description box below. For this, let's get started. For yellow color, I have taken skin of bell peppers, and for purple, beetroot. Work the dough well so that it becomes smooth and bouncy. As you can see here, when I touch, it's bouncing back. That means it's done. Now we can stir it. I divided each color dough into 4 small parts and then roll the small parts. Store the leftover dough for more pasta. Seal the edges with a fork. Let this dry for 1 hour and then you can cook with any sauce.